Today, we will be doing a yummy and creamy salted caramel filling. This less than 10 minutes salted caramel recipe is perfect for your pastry delights. So prepare all the ingredients and let's get started. Place the sugar and glucose in a saucepan. Melt it over medium-high heat. Because we are doing a small recipe, I prefer swirling the pan rather than stirring the sugar. In another saucepan, pour the cream and the vanilla pods. Once all the sugar has melted, watch your caramel like a hawk, swirling the pan occasionally. Warming your cream is very important because if you add a cold liquid to the hot sugar, it will seize up and you won't be able to recover it. I prefer to have a darker amber color because it gives stronger caramel taste. But pay attention not to get too dark because it will result a burnt caramel and surely will taste bitter. As soon as you achieve a strong amber color, add in the batter and whisk vigorously. It will bubble up aggressively, but just keep mixing until all the batter has melted. Add in the warm cream. And mix until cream is well incorporated. Add right away the salt. To taste better and stronger, you can use kosher salt or fleur de sel. Prepare your sliced milk chocolate. And pour in the caramel mixture. Use an immersion blender to emulsify your caramel and chocolate mixture. But if you don't have it, you can just use a rubber spatula to mix it. And voila! Your salted caramel filling is done! Film it in contact with the cling wrap, or you can store it in a glass jar. This smooth, luxurious, salted caramel filling is absolutely irresistible. A perfect filling for your cakes, cupcakes, cookies, pound cake, ice cream, cheesecake, apple pie, and so much more. And my most favorite use of it, adding it on my favorite French brioche. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share and click the subscribe button. See you on my next sweet adventure, sweet people!